Can't.
Yeah, I can tell the cab's been redone.
Yeah, been redone. You want to see the motor and everything?
Oh yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you can. Yeah, the crank was replaced with a GAL crank too.
Oh yeah, Diesel usually has one. Something like that. There's a motor, I think.
Motor over here?
Oh yeah.
I'll kill the main line so you can get it, right?
Okay.
Here's all the controls.
Wow. This is incredible.
Still running. Still runs good.
No plans to replace it?
Another 2 years gonna replace it.
Oh, okay.
Forcing us out.
Is the city forcing you out, or is it just...
yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's a winding drum, too.
Oh, yeah, it is winding drum. You can see it toward the machine room here.
So when did the codes come into effect?
About 2:30. We're right in before 2:30.
This is really cool. Yeah. We really do appreciate it.
No problem.
Rusted motor. This is a massive motor.
I know, right? Is there any way you can take this up and down for us?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a double tandem motor. It used to lift safes years ago. 1930s, it lift safes. It's a double tandem.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Really cool. All right. Well, let's go for a ride.
Thank you.
I'll say about 2:30.
Julian?
Hello.
Anybody want to drive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pull that way.
Interesting.
Here we go. 12 floors.
We
Okay.
got 12 floors. And I go about 11, we'll stop at 11.
All right.
If you go too high, it could...
Yeah. You don't want to hit the top at full
Yeah,
speed
limit-
because then you'll hit the limit switch.
What year did they redo the cam and stuff?
let me see, 2016.
Okay.
Okay. More recent than I thought it was. This is 8.
9, 9.
Comes 10. And we'll stop at 11, right?
All right.
Let's see how he does.
Up, a little more.
Here we go.
Hey, perfect.
Yeah,
Very nice.
You're in the
Can I
union.
try? Can I try on the way down or?
All right, ready? Want to turn it down?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Thank you.
Okay, just come straight forward this way. There you go. And the first floor comes out that way. The rest of the lines up here. This
Oh yeah, that's right. Because this also has a side door. The
Yeah.
new old stock GAL crank right here.
Yeah, and as you can see, the cab has been redone with just a basic stainless steel cab. This is still amazing, though.
6.
Oops, sorry.
You're good.
We had one at 21st with the rope, the old pulley.
Oh,
That was one of the last
I
ones.
rode one like that in Cleveland.
3.
3. 2.
And one is coming
On
up.
that
so-
side, man.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see how you do.
All right.
Pretty
Nice.
cool.
I nailed it.
Is there
Yeah.
any way I could operate
Even
quickly
just a
too?
slightly.
Yeah, sure.
Would you mind filming me
Here,
running
hold
it?
up. I want to see.
Oh,
Very
barely.
close. Almost got it.
Oh yeah.
Would you mind filming me running it? Good. Thank
Oh
you
yeah.
so much.
That is cool.
Just go back to our. Okay.
I used to have an internship operating one of these.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah. With the it had this hand crank and the motor was replaced.
Hmm.
Okay. You want to go over to 11?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see how I do leveling this thing.
If you don't mind, once we get to 11, would you mind doing the same with me, filming me running it back down?
Yeah, sure. Here comes 11.
Here comes the lift.
Here we go. Almost here. Let's see.
Whoa,
Okay,
perfect.
Not bad.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Let me see, it's almost perfect.
Yep. I think it actually is.
That is perfect, yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hole in one.
There's sorry.
You're good.
It's like a 99.99%.
Yeah, that was very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how Jerry does
Okay.
that.
All right.
There goes Julian. He's about to
Yep.
operate it
Here we go.
down.
Okay.
That's how Jerry did that. He's good at
This
writing
is
manuals.
awesome.
Yeah. He's usually writing a manual.
Seems to be going slower than it was earlier.
There's
The
Riley.
diesel DC building.
Yep.
Sometimes the sea rolls back to power a little bit too once in a while, so you get that
Got you.
when it's hot.
Do you know what the speed is when it's at its peak for?
We lost one phase of it, so it's only 3 phases. It used to be 4 phases. It used to be faster. They slowed it down.
Do you know how fast it goes by feet per minute or no?
No.
Probably about like 150, 200, I'd say, looking at this.
Well, right now, but I could have sworn it went a bit faster earlier.
Maybe it went
Almost
up.
here.
The first floor. Yeah.
Let's see how you do leveling it.
Okay. Almost here. You can hear the
You hear the
relays
relays,
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
a
go
little
up a
bit.
little bit.
Pretty
Look
good.
at
There you
though.
go. Hey,
There we
good.
go.
That's like
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Do you get elevator enthusiasts here often at all?
First ones.
Okay. Well, you seem really understanding
I love
about
the
it,
elevator
so
myself, so.
that
I
makes
post
sense.
our videos on YouTube, but we obviously wouldn't
Not a
disclose the
problem, not a
location.
All
Thank
right.
you. All right.
You have a good one.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Wow.
That was cool. Though.
Very cool.
That
And
was
that
so
is
easy,
gonna be
bro.
it.
That was nice.
There's a
Where are we
view
gonna
of
go?
some of Manhattan, and that'll be it.